In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams for work or school. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or installing it on a new device, these simple steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, let's open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever one you typically use. Once you've got it open, head over to the search bar and type in Download Microsoft Teams for work or school. This search should bring up a list of links, but what you're looking for is the official Microsoft website link. It usually has the domain name Microsoft.com in the URL, which reassures you that you're in the right place and downloading from a trusted source. The website link should say something like Microsoft Teams Download or Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Now click on the link to visit Microsoft's official page dedicated to Teams. On this page, you're going to find a bunch of useful information describing different versions of Teams and its features. Right at the top should be the download options. You want to specifically look for the version that's applicable to your needs, whether it's for Windows, Mac OS, or a mobile device like an Android or iOS. But for today, we'll focus on downloading it for Windows. Click on Download Microsoft Teams for Windows, and that's when the file should start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a little while, but you'll see the progress usually at the bottom of the browser or in your downloads folder. Once it's complete, navigate to your downloads folder and double-click on the installer file. This will open a setup wizard guiding you through the installation steps. Simply follow the instructions. Usually it starts with an installation prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click yes to proceed. After that, it will install the necessary files. You might be prompted to choose a destination folder or agree to terms and conditions. Confirm these choices and let the installer do its work. After it's finished, Microsoft Teams will launch and you'll need to sign in with your work or school account. Here, you'll input your credentials, which are typically provided by your school or organization. Enter your email, then your password, and you'll be all set to start using Microsoft Teams. That's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Teams on your device, giving you access to a powerful tool for collaboration and communication. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.